Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com. And in this short video right here, I'm going to give you guys my copy and paste method for how to create a passive income from home with affiliate marketing. And we're going to go through this real fast because it's real simple and easy. Something that you guys can do in less than 2 minutes and actually get started earning the income within the next 72 hours. Let's get going. So we're just going to scroll down here and start looking at the arrows, following the directions. Now, the first thing we all know, that's the most important thing when it comes to making money online or promoting any affiliate product, is that you have to have traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of your business. It will make or break your business. But there's something else that you actually need that you may not have known that you need. And it's something called the Magick link. Now, this Magick link is something that is very valuable. It does a few things in one. It actually allows you to generate the traffic, the quality traffic that you need to build your business online. And it also pays you a commission at the same time. Now, let's scroll over so that we can learn a little bit more about this Magick link. Now, full transparency, the Magick link itself is actually $7, but the value is priceless. And let's get to the actual value of it. What do you get with your Magick link? Well, one of the things that you get, and one of the most important things that you get, is 100 clicks of traffic. That's an actual $100 value. Now, that comes from my mentor, Wayne, who's an expert in solo ads. He's been in the industry of affiliate marketing for over 15 years, and he's made multiple millions of dollars in this industry and has helped multiple six-figure earners in the industry earn income using this similar method that I'm showing you. Now, the magic in the Magick link and in those 100 clicks is that it allows you the ability to earn a commission every time your Magick link is actually clicked. And we're going to talk about that in a second. But as I stated, guaranteed commissions, that's what we're going towards. And this right here is something that is close to a guarantee as you can possibly get. Looking at this right here, this is an actual screenshot of my personal commissions. If you look here, you can see the total at $289.80. I want you to look at that and I want you to think about it. A $7 product producing $289.80 worth of commissions. That right there is massive. And I want to explain to you about the commissions that Magick link actually produces for you so that you understand how it works. If you look at this first line right here, it says comment, Magick link commission. It says 60 cents. Now, that's not a lot of money, but I want you to keep in mind this. With the Magick link, whenever someone clicks the Magick link, you earn 30 cents commission. So, simple math lets you know that there had to have been 2 clicks of the Magick link at this point in time for me to earn the 60 cents, right? Okay, now that doesn't sound like a lot. I know you're in it for the big money, but as we go along, I want your mind to start working so that you can see where the actual big money is at. I'm not going to tell you directly because the right person will see it and the right person will understand. And I want you to absolutely get it without me actually having to point everything out to you. That's one of the keys to success. And of course, I'll tell you guys about that in future videos. So let's scroll over here. Now, when it comes to the clicks, right? You get the clicks, but what's going on with those clicks? You get the commissions also, right? But what are you also doing at the same time? You're doing one of the other most important things in your affiliate marketing business. You're building an email list. That's the other part of the magic in the Magick link. It allows you to build an email list. So once when you're sending those emails, one day you can actually send emails tomorrow, the day after, and the day after that. So now hopefully you're starting to understand how I was able to generate over $280 in commissions using this simple system, right? But I want you to look even deeper. I want you guys to really understand what's going on here. This right here is one of the stats for my lead page, one of my lead pages, right? This right here shows a testament to the quality of leads that we're getting from Wayne and how many leads that we're actually able to generate. So if you look here, 43.47% conversion rate. Now that right there is awesome when you think about it in the industry. 43% conversions. That means over 40% of the people that came to my landing page actually clicked the link on my page. So why is that important? That's important because when we think about the power of the Magick link, that's where part of the magic lies. When someone clicks the link, you actually get paid a commission. So when you look at this right here and you see 366 conversions, that means that I have at least 366 people on my email list and that are leads. So when you do the math, just you guys can figure it out how the math works on that. And if I can do that on a daily basis, what the numbers can eventually look like. And of course, if you're thinking on a higher scale, doesn't it only make sense to increase this number here? So if you're interested in learning how to grow your email list using the Magick link even further, there's another training that I want to invite you guys to actually get on so that you can hear directly from my mentor, directly from the source of how you can take advantage of this amazing system. But we're going to finish this off. And I just want to show you guys one last amazing thing. And I think this right here is going to be a game changer for you. This right here says team builder. Now, when you get your Magick link, it gives you some benefits. It doesn't give you all of the benefits that we have available. It actually gives you the ability to learn how to build your email list. And this right here, if you're looking closely, it says list building training. That actually represents the Magick link itself, which is $7. So when you purchase that, you actually get the additional benefit of referring people who also want to build their business from home. So when you refer someone to the Magick link, you actually get 100% commission. So you get $7 for every person that you refer, and you can build a business teaching and showing people how to build a business. Now, I know you're thinking to yourself, what's all of this other stuff here? Now, this right here is something that you may never see again in your lifetime. This is part of a system that will allow you to earn commissions from low ticket sales all the way up to high ticket sales, which could be anywhere from commissions up to $6,000+. Now, the power in that is that there's another special link that we have. It's called the Mega Link. That right there is also just $7, just like the Magick link. It gives you access to earning commissions on all of these products and services that we have, which we will train you and give you all the details and information on. Now, if you're interested in learning how to unlock the Mega Link also, I want to invite you guys to a free training that my mentor is putting on so you can learn all about our amazing system. And as you can see here at the top, this is first level and second level. So once when you get your Mega Link, that allows you to get commissions on your first level, but then to get access to the second level of commissions, you have to be on the training to find out how that works. Now, For those who are really serious about earning an income from home, I want to make sure that I give you all the tools necessary to get off on the right track. So I'm going to give you access to all of my trainings. I'm going to give you my 10-step system indicated right here, my affiliate marketing success checklist. This will give you my full checklist of everything that you would need in order to start generating an income from home within the next 72 hours, and to be able to have those special emails also that you're going to send to be able to get those clicks and earn that income for your Magick link. That's part of my success checklist, along with a bunch of other tools and trainings. So I don't want to make this video too long. I want to end it on this note. If you're interested in the Magick link, click the link in the description of this video, or send me a direct message and I'll get that information to you. If you're also interested in being a part of our overall system and getting the mega link, comment mega link also, and I'll give you access to an exclusive training so that you can unlock the full potential of our system and learn how you can start earning those huge commissions. With that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this training. I'll see you on the inside.